Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Cold and flu season is upon us, and if you have kids, you know that means months of runny noses, stuffy noses. So I'm so happy to have this nasal aspirator, also known as a snot sucker in our house, ready and available. And you can hear how quiet it is, but there's different suction levels. So if you need a little extra suction, also to keep your little one entertained, they also have music and lights, so at least you can kind of distract them. So I haven't used this on my daughter yet, but I did have a runny nose, and so I was curious how well it worked, so, or how uncomfortable it was, because you want to know what your kid's going through. So I did it. So you just you just stick it to the side of your nostril. You hear all that sucking? It's really gross. Not painful at all. And like, it just sucked up all of that water. And then, see all that water in there? So I was always worried these things were kind of gross, because you're sucking snot, right? But they've actually made it really easy to be able to clean, and not have a bunch of nasty stuff everywhere. So if you have little ones, even if they're not sick right now, you know that they're going to be at some point this winter, and you will want to have this thing ready and available in your bathroom closet to help them feel better as soon as you can. So go ahead and order it and have it stocked and ready for them. But that's just our point of view.